This is how to start your own clothing business with zero investment. Let's go. Go to Canva, search for t-shirt designs, explore the templates, and start practicing on how to create your own designs. Don't use a template but create something on your own. Download as a PNG, and if you find it difficult, you can go to Fiverr and find a professional to create something unique like this. Then go to Printify, create a profile. You can start selling your own products totally for free and create products like mine, this beautiful hoodie, would you buy it? Or this pair of shoes with my logo. And you can choose as many products as you want. Start designing your own apparel. Just upload the image that you have created. Adjust it in the front and back side like this. Make sure to fit within the frame. The guys from Printify do everything else, developing the product and the fulfillment. All you gotta do is connect it with an e-commerce store or a marketplace like eBay and Etsy and start selling.